Russell here with a handmade knife review. I just finished this knife recently. This is our Ivy Nakiri. So I did a nice linear satin polish on it, and then we did a laser etching of this beautiful ivy on both sides that is matched. The handle is this lovely figured Turkish mango. So we've been using mango a lot, and then our suppliers found this Turkish stuff, which is just absolutely lovely. And there's two liners snaked in there just to have a little color contrast, and they're gray and green just to complement the ivy. Some lengths for you. The blade length here, tip to tip, is 6 3/4 inches. The blade depth is just under 2 inches at 1 7/8. The handle length is 4 inches for an overall length of 11 3/4 inches. And so the question is, what would you use a Nakiri for? One of the beautiful things about a Nakiri is that this is an entirely flat edge. There's no belly, there's no curvature at all. So when you make contact with the cutting board, you are cut through. So this is largely a vegetable knife. It will still cut proteins, it will still cut anything in the kitchen you need to, but it is designed to be a vegetable knife. I've seen professional chefs do absolutely everything with these. I use a Nakiri on the everyday for absolutely anything I'm cutting. So it's one of those of, if you like the look of it, if you like the shape of it, and you don't do any rock chopping, you're exclusively push cutting or pull cutting, Nakiri can be a great option for you. One of the things you gain out of the flat is once you're down, you're cut through whatever that is. So if you do a lot of mincing or dicing, Nakiris are great for that type of work. So if you're looking for a new workhorse, absolutely laser edge in the kitchen, take a look at this Ivy Nakiri on SerenityKnives.com.